spending a lot. Anyhow, attendance improving in some recent times when it comes to the Saudi Pro League after the level of investment of my league in him. Yebenya ne seba ko China de ni bia na. Say omu investing a lot of money in bringing in a lot of stars to the Chinese league. Actually ni na ye dey ejiguye. We've seen key players from top European sides who didn't come on bia na say ewie mu na say call background checks ni bia. Agents ahodo na bigi to me say course na e ba omo so nyina no. Eba nipa no be friend the first no be busa na say woni agise na so pese onye ska bebira na. Agent ni bi so be friend so omo busa o say project na say we say ne pese ye within the clubs no. Saying ana city hu no woni je hu so beba na say woni je hu so beba. There were some of them omo formalize omo approach towards these clubs in terms of getting the players. There were some of them so omo kasa no makacho so ba ska say ana abenya ene we an account ni awaya scan dey ayede e dey atum no aba be see akan na dey amomo. But in context and generality no ade e be hu ni nyina na yes league no e betimi agina na so se dey ani wi hwese be dey ye be hu na na se entimi enye dey enyina na so na ba na wi you definitely understand say which class and a bomb more money on which me spending a lot when it comes to the Saudi League. Now most of the PIF and the fans now most supporting most of these clubs no. You decided to now own your more ties or allegiance to the royal family. Now in this particular table or via the athletic, you be when say club was spending a lot in the Saudi Pro League no Al Hilal.
Okay.
Or spending 353.1 million euros. And spending here. The otosu mienu Al Ali. Emire fi say Al Ali, omo na pit so much money, di omo qualify for mo division 1 no. Last season, e di omo ba league nim this season.
Okay.
Omo na ba spend 200.2 million euros.
You know omo discount room
in the transfer market. Then no ba benya ana say be a Cristiano Ronaldo wono. Omo spend 165.1 million euros. Then Al Ittihad Karim Benzema mo omo na kepo Mohamed Salah no. So if they had bought Mohamed Salah omo be shoot aba be da Al Hilal so.
Okay.
But man to Salah omo na spend 122.4 million euros and Sana Steven Gerrard, Al Ittifaq, Al Shabab, Al Tawoun, Al Faya mu nyina ato so in this particular order. But the four key clubs now omo yo madwen so me support omo push omo ama omo timi a dominant force in the league no. And they omo prices ni omo spending na that so and Al Hilal Neymar and a copy up ni nyina in terms of omo spending spree. Now only the amount of money Al Hilal for na so omo nyina 75% of the club is owned by the PIF founder omo ewo Saudi Arabia. Now you move on Aluta and only be hu ni say o compare omo to most of the net spenders in other leagues e we asia for na nyina say na table net here. In terms of clubs almost spending a lot, we are suffering in our global. Al Hilal top in terms of net spend. Net spend no we catch us say net sales no what net purchase the film.
Okay.
Now and on your show one Al Hilal dey need 351.7 million euros. Paris Saint-Germain etos second in 200 million euros .5. Al Ahly etos 200.2. Chelsea etos 9 197.1. Arsenal etos enum 167.0 and I say about 165.1. Manchester United about 151.4. Then Manchester City 126.6. Tottenham Hotspur 126.4. Bournemouth 126.2. Real Madrid 122.5. Al Ittihad 121.6. Liverpool 101. Newcastle 108. Burnley 107. Then Aston Villa 60.5. Nottingham Forest 57.2, Brentford 54.8, Benfica 49.4, AC Milan 45.0. Out of area simu nyina na see top 20 highest net spenders are EPL on kwama say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
clubs
from the EPL. It goes on to confirm the financial muscles of the EPL. But notwithstanding any other thing, Saudi Arabia they are no more penomosaka. Because and then you can't spend this in 20 and 20 clubs. I must spend a lot and also must spend this kabibrina. And they almost Saudi Arabia no kwano, almost 4 clubs no this kakushim near day. Ishim.
Okay.
Why is French Liga?
Me who?
Italian Serie A yes
AC Milan. Bako.
Portuguese League yes
Baako Benfica.
Spanish La Liga I say.
Madrid more.
Madrid pay. Where is the financial power of the Spanish La Liga? Ti nyoma ekofom and Saudi Arabia for no e kire more dominance in this aspect. Quickly, didn't na be ma project na e kama. In the 2021 season na e boy no, na behind closed doors because of COVID-19. But already this particular graph now, it tells you the level of the Saudi Arabian League in the quite fast year day. As of 2015-2016, na average attendance will league in him is 6,906.
Okay.
In 2016-2017, na average attendance was Saudi Pro League in him no is 6,980. 2017-2018 about form kakra. Na 5,726. Then a PJ in 2018-2019 to 8,555. Then 2019-2020 a table from kakra bi and kosoro kakra. E ma say tran kakra bi 8,479. Then in 2019-2020 near say because of COVID-19 no, it had to go down. Then 2021 and also no COVID-19 closed doors it ni mienu no. Over here 2019-2020 no abrase nya we ni 2020-21 no ya nya bi wa ha say it any graph ni. So move straight to 2021-2022. Which is na attendance ni na 7,885 definitely so better because COVID-19 afin ya BA stadium kakra na ye.
Yeah.
But share 2022-2023 last season na 9,339. This time around no omatime maintaining the momentum no apejam kakra ko 9,392 season inquiry.
Let's say 2022-2023 Ronaldo factor no.
Ronaldo factor no.
Adwuma
apejam straight from 2021-2022 now from 7,000 straight to 9,000 average attendance. It's a no match most of the players now say go other clubs and so there. You fully understand. Now man for can say oh we mu dey say kokura fon kwa no moto mu dey mobile league ni. League ni dey say nche ebegu. Young talents ben omunyo omo. We ages of foreign players are ya to mu dey omaba the Saudi Pro League ni.
Okay.
Now omo age 21 no aside age 21 bracket no e ba akopɛ.
Okay.
22 I'm talking about foreign players, okay. Not Saudi for nankasa foreign players. 22 omunim 23 ebinim 24 4 players 25 2 players 26 peak years of every single footballer 7.
Okay.
27 peak years 4. 28 peak years 6. 29 peak years 6. 30 over declining kakra. By peak nisi 30 8. Then from 31 year drop. So 31 year 8. 32 4. 33 1. 34 1. 2 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. You're talking about 14 players. I know more declining. But more peak no more pijamuni ni na akono. 8 plus 6 14 20 24 31 then 33 then 37 38 foreign good players are age one side.
Do you name my
project no more ye no enye tete kwa ana age na broso they are getting and next season it will be crazy.
And Jacob only name ya gonna say or did you say pay players every Saudi league no league no bit my better than the French league no.
Of course I agree. In context, how many players will have to move to the French league? More pick. Now Saudi Arabia beat that particular stage, you know. So omunya players or more do pick be musha say they will have to come and play there. But the French league to play a better now so top 5 European leagues need to Real Madrid one or Manchester United will only pick probably the French league team be about some penal. Paris Saint-Germain will need to even convince players with money before they come. And what check here Paris Saint-Germain they pay. And the team such players no. Monaco bet me player 100,000 euros. Week biya. Olympic Lyon bet me player 100,000 euros week biya. No. On team so the French league will suffer from what Saudi Arabia is also doing. And most of these key players will have to go there because money is there. And project na sa be clear say now project ni nyan kokura for project. A project age wo wafa ube make sure so betimi I enjoy. It Luther Saudi phone where data and numbers backing what they've done this particular summer